Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Ah! God, that was terrible. So we're gonna try it again. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jelly. Y'all, I am coming to y'all with another video. With another video. With another video. With another video. So, this video is going to be collab with my girl, Shell the Beauty Belle. Her channel is going to be linked below. We are collabing and doing a video with the palette. Morphe James Charles collaboration. So, we decided to do 2 looks, 1 palette. I am more of a everyday, we can get in, get out type of girl. She is more of the dramatic, just like pff, out of the box. So what we wanted to do was show y'all 1 palette, i.e. this one. And we wanted to show you guys how you can actually still get something that's very dramatic, as well as that everyday look out of the same palette. So after y'all watch my video, I want y'all to jump over to her channel and watch her video. And subscribe while y'all there. Show my girl some love. Like, you know what I'm saying? Click some like buttons. And if y'all coming from her channel to my channel, subscribe. I am funny, I am hilarious, and I push content like 3 times a week. Unless something happened because I'm a mommy. But I'm going to quit talking to y'all and jibber jabbering. And I'm going to go ahead and jump into this eye look because we don't know where we're going with right now. But I know I'm going to use these colors to set my scarf. So, without further ado, let's jump on in. finished look, y'all. I know I said in the beginning I wasn't going to do something dramatic. And as it progressed, because I didn't know what I was doing when we started, as it progressed, so it became a little dramatic. So we went with some dramatic lashes. These lashes are by Dia Star Studio. I would link her website down. These are the style Mrs. Calandria. I really do like them. I've had them for probably like 4 months and never used them because I don't wear dramatic lashes. But I'm trying to come out of my box with y'all. Like, boop, jump out. Y'all also make sure y'all check out my girl, Shell the Beauty Belle. Her link is down below. We did the same palette, 2 different looks. Mine was supposed to be simple, but it ain't the way it went. Sorry. But it's simple-ish, like, I guess. But I just want to thank y'all for staying through the video. If there's other palettes y'all want to see, let me know. If there's something y'all want me to talk about. If there is something y'all think that y'all just want me to test out. And excuse this little breakout I got over here. I don't know where it came from. I am working on a new skincare routine, so I don't know if that's playing a part in it, but sorry about that. But I really like how this came out. And it was inspired by the scarf that I got on. But just want to say thank you. And I'm going to put another video somewhere in here. And y'all subscribe. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Out of all the products I used, comment down below. And let me know which one y'all have. If y'all have any of the products that I used. I want y'all to comment down below and say, I got that one. And tell me if you like it or not. If you have it or if you purchased it. You know what I mean? Like, just let me know down below. Because I want to be able to engage with y'all. But that is about it. I will talk to you all later. See you in the next video.